Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are going to talk about transitional words and phrases. Once you are done with writing your first draft of your essay, so now as as you will be looking at the narrow picture and broader picture while looking at your first draft, ठीक है? So when you will be revising your first draft of your essay, you will be looking at the content, the ideas that you have substantiated in your essay, and when you will be editing your essay, then you will be looking at the use of grammatical tools, means use of transitional words and phrases, your structure. You have to look at these things. You have to look at narrow picture, that how you have constructed your sentences. ठीक है? So that's why I've added this lecture, and in order to enhance your writing, ठीक है, in order to create a unity, in order to bridge the gap in between the sentences, in between the paragraphs. ठीक है? जब हम लिखते हैं तो गैप सा महसूस होता है कि सेंटेंस तो आपने लगाया लेकिन यहाँ कुछ गैप है. So that's why we have to know about it. Okay, so look at this sentence. I would ask 003 to read this paragraph and find the problem over there. क्या मसला हो सकता है इसके अंदर? हाँ जी, 003, can you read it? 011.
Okay, sir.
पढ़े.
Students who write academic essays need to provide effective transitions. Transitions allow writers to connect the main ideas that are present in an essay. Using conjunctive adverbs and other introductory elements, connect one sentence to the next. The use of the words will make the writing more fluent and less choppy. Many students fail to use effective transitions, and the essay comes across as disconnected. Writers should always be aware of the need to connect both sentences and paragraphs together.
So this is this is just one paragraph, and although that I have written that paragraph related to specific topic, transitional phrases, but even then it looks like that there is something that is missing. इसके अंदर भी ऐसे लगता है कुछ कम है, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो इसके अंदर ऐड की जाएं. अभी आपने इसको पढ़ा, now you will look at the another one. ठीक है? इसके अंदर it looks like this. ठीक है? कोई टूट फूट है, कहीं आपने चेपी लगानी है, कहीं आपने टेप लगा के जोड़ना है चीज़ों को. So there is a problem in the paragraph. So you can see problem is here. So you can see there is a problem. Here is a problem, here is a problem, here is a problem, and here is a problem. There are some problems, some cohesive devices, some connectors are missing. So now we are going to add those connectors. ठीक है? अभी आपने पहले पढ़ा, now you will read. ठीक है? So look at this one. I'm going to modify it. So now read it. Yes, same वही बच्चा अभी पढ़े दोबारा. Now read it. I've just written it in bold. I've just written it in bold. अब आप देखें, अब आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा there is a lot of difference. ठीक है? पढ़िए. Yes.
Students who write academic essays need to provide effective transitions. Transitions allow writers to connect the main ideas that are present in an essay. For example, by using conjunctive adverbs and other introductory elements, a writer can connect one sentence to the next. Moreover, the use of these words will make the writing more fluent and less choppy. Unfortunately, students often fail to use effective transitions, and as a result, the essay comes across as disconnected. To avoid this, writers should always be aware of the need to connect both sentences and paragraph together, and they should strive to find creative ways to do so.
So you can see that the words or phrases in bold, they are added in order to connect the sentences. ठीक है? इसके अंदर इनको जोड़ने के लिए. For example, moreover, unfortunately, as a result, to avoid this, so we have added some more words, more phrases in a paragraph and modified it and made it quite better. So when you will be editing your paragraphs, तो उस वक्त आपको ये transitions की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. You need to know about it. Okay, so these are the words and phrases that we have added in order to modify the paragraph. ठीक है? So one idea and the other idea, that is the best idea. This is one idea given here till then. So after that we यहाँ तक एक idea था, then another idea. ठीक है, उसके बाद लास्ट पे कंक्लूड किया ना उस बात को उसने. So we have to connect these two ideas, one that is having three sentences and the second having more sentences. So you can see it here. What is a transition? Now we are going to talk about it. Transition is a word like this, phrase, and it can be a word, it can be a phrase, and it works like this. It works to bridge the gap. You can see that how the gap has been bridged. ठीक है, ये गैप है और ऐसे उठा के आपने भरना है. Okay, you can see transitions are word phrases that establish logical connections between sentences, paragraphs, and sections of your essays. So you can see here, so we have to add a logical connection. We have added a logical connection over there in this paragraph. So these are the words and phrases working as a logical connectors. ठीक है, यहाँ पे example दी, so I wrote for example, then I've added another thing moreover, then unfortunately, और उसके बाद consequences, and at the end a suggestion, a recommendation is given there. ठीक है, तो इस तरह आपका पैराग्राफ ज़्यादा खूबसूरत, ज़्यादा बेहतर नहीं हो गया? होता नहीं होता? What do you think about it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So 015, would you mind to read this slide, please? जी पढ़ें.
Transitions are words or phrases that establish logical connections between sentences, paragraph, and sections of your essays. Transition bridges parts of your essay together. It helps you write carry over a thought from one sentence to another, from one idea to another, or from one paragraph to another with words or phrases. Guides the reader to interpret ideas the way you as a writer want them to.
So you can see that you have to bring the parts of your essay together. You have to carry over your thoughts from one sentence to another, from one idea to another, from one paragraph to another, and guide. Basically, you're guiding your reader. So you can see that how he is carrying one thought to another. ठीक है, एक थॉट से दूसरी थॉट की तरफ कैसे जा रहा है, वन आइडिया टू अनदर. ठीक है, गाइडिंग द रीडर कि किधर जा रहा हूँ. दीज आर बेसिकली ट्रांजिशनल वर्ड्स और गाइडिंग वर्ड्स. ठीक है, उसको एक डायरेक्शन मिल रही है कि वो आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है जी. ओके, सो व्हाट ट्रांजिशंस डू? Transitions link sentences and paragraphs together smoothly so that there are no abrupt jumps. ठीक है, इस तरह का काम ना हो. No abrupt jumps like this, and there should be no break between ideas. ठीक है, जब when you read the very first paragraph you came to know that there are some abrupt jumps, or there are break between the ideas. उन कामों के लिए, उन चीज़ों के लिए आपने जोड़ने के लिए चीज़ इस्तेमाल करनी है. ठीक है, आइडियाज़ की ब्रेक को ख़त्म करने के लिए. एंड बिकॉज व्हेन यू विल बी राइटिंग, ठीक है, जब आप, चूँकि मैंने ये जो दो टॉपिक्स हैं, ट्रांजिशनल वर्ड्स एंड फ्रेजेस एंड पैरेलल स्ट्रक्चर्स, both are not the part of your course outline, but I have added it considering the most important in terms of editing your essays. जब आप edit करेंगे तो आप ये चीज़ें देखेंगे, ट्रांजिशंस आपने इस्तेमाल किए कि नहीं किए. ठीक है, I'll be sharing with you another worksheet and there you will look at transitional phrases. ठीक है, तो उस पे जब आप काम करेंगे आपको एग्जांपल्स मिलेंगी, आप खुद ढूंढ के लिखेंगे, यार यहाँ पे मैंने एग्जांपल दिया तो क्या लिख सकता हूँ. हर दफ़ा फॉर एग्जांपल नहीं लिखें, कोई और एग्जांपल देने के लिए कोई और वर्ड है, फ्रेज है, वो यूज़ कर सकते. So please utilize these things. Okay, now we are going to look at types of transitions. There are several types, and each type leads the reader to make a certain connections or assumptions about the areas that you are connecting. ठीक है, कि जब आप जोड़ रहे होते हैं, जब आप ट्रांजिशन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उससे फिर वो अंदाज़ा लगाता है कि आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं. If you are saying for example, it means you are going to give an example. If you are saying as a result, it means that you are talking about consequences. ठीक है, रीडर उस कनेक्टिंग डिवाइस को देख के ये आइडिया लगाता है दैट वट एवर यू आर गोइंग टू डू, ठीक है, क्या आप कनेक्ट करें, किस लिए जोड़ रहे हैं, ठीक है जी. सो some transitions will lead the reader forward to build on an idea or thought, ठीक है, कुछ वो जोड़ रहे होंगे उसको. And others will make your reader compare or draw conclusion from preceding thoughts, कुछ conclusion draw करने के लिए या ऐसे कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. So transition can be a single word, a phrase, a sentence and an entire paragraph, but their function is always same. Either it will directly summarize the content of a preceding sentence or section, or it will help the reader to anticipate or comprehend the new information that you are going to put in your essay. ठीक है, जो भी होगा बेसिकली जोड़ ही होगा, जोड़ का काम करते हैं, जोड़ने का काम करते हैं. प्लम्बर को देखा आपने कभी? प्लम्बर को, हैव यू एवर सीन प्लम्बर? जब पाइप्स जोड़ता है तो क्या करता है, उसके लिए उसने वो लगाए हुए होते हैं अपने, उसके पास अपना सामान होता है वो, अब उसको पता नहीं क्या कहते हैं. अगर आपको प्लम्बिंग का वो चीज़ें का पता हो, आगे देखेंगे नहीं हम. ट्रांजिशन कैन बी अ सिंगल वर्ड एंड फ्रेज. सो ट्रांजिशन की प्लेसमेंट इट इज़ लाइक दिस. ये देखें, ये वाली जो जगह है, ये जोड़ने के लिए ना, पाइप को जोड़ा, उसके दरम्यान में कोई चीज़ ऐड की, इससे पता चलता है यहाँ पे पाइप है दोनों साइडों पे, यहाँ पे लगाया तो पता चला कि ये तो भाई उसके चक्कर में है. सो बिटवीन द सेक्शंस यू कैन लुक हियर, दिस इज़ बिटवीन द सेक्शंस. ठीक है, जब आपके पैराग्राफ्स में यू विल बी राइटिंग योर रिसर्च पेपर्स, यू विल बी राइटिंग योर प्रोजेक्ट्स, योर रिसर्च एसेज, सो योर एसे विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू सेक्शंस, तो वहाँ पे आप ट्रांजिशंस को इस्तेमाल करते हैं पैराग्राफ्स के अंदर. So for example, you think yourself as a plumber who needs to use piping to connect the various tubs, sinks, sewers, etc. within a house. ठीक है, जब उसने जोड़ना होता है, जोड़ तोड़ करनी, तो वो भी यही काम करता है. So ये देखिए, ये जोड़ है यहाँ पे भी. So you have to do it to connect. Okay. So basically transitions are like road signs, directing the reader along the best route through the essay. डायरेक्ट कर रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, लाइक दिस, ये इस तरह के काम करते हैं. सो दे आर रोड लाइन्स, बताते हैं ना, यहाँ के यू टर्न आ गया, यहाँ पे राइट टर्न है, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट टर्न है, जैसा रोड साइंस एक इंडिकेटर देते हैं. सो सेम वे ट्रांजिशंस आल्सो वर्क. सो व्हेन ट्रांजिशन इज प्लेस्ड बिटवीन द सेक्शंस, सो they are working as to summarize for the reader what is you have covered and how it connects what is going to be covered the next. ठीक है, सेक्शंस के दरमियान इस्तेमाल होगी, पैराग्राफ के दरमियान इस्तेमाल होगा. ठीक है, one leads typically to the next. 019, would you mind to read this paragraph, this slide please?
Yes, sir.
पढ़िए.
There starts in
Yes.
between sections. In longer works, it may be necessary to include transitional paragraphs that summarize for a reader what was just covered and specify how it connects to what is going to be covered next.
Just a minute. Okay. Just a minute. When it is provided between the sections, तो कैसे लिखा जाता है कि that, उसमें फिर हम इस तरह लिखते हैं कि प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ में हमने ये चीज़ें डिस्कस की, आने वाले पैराग्राफ में ये डिस्कस करेंगे. एक पैराग्राफ बना देते हैं हम, 2 लाइनों का, 2 लाइनर या 2 से 3 सेंटेंसेस का पैराग्राफ्स होता है छोटा सा, जिसमें लिखते हैं कि प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ में हमने ये चीज़ें डिस्कस कर ली, अगले में ये करेंगे. ठीक है, नॉर्मली जब आप रिसर्च कर रहे होते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट्स वगैरह लिखते हैं, तो वहाँ पे ये काम होता है. ठीक है, एसेज के अंदर बिटवीन द पैराग्राफ्स और विद इन द पैराग्राफ्स वाली बात चलेगी. ओके, प्लीज़ रीड. पढ़िए जी, पढ़िए बेटा. जीरो टू 9 आप.
सर मैं
पढ़िए.
Transition placement between sections. In longer works, it may be necessary to include transitional paragraphs that summarize for the reader what it was such covered and specify how it how it connects to what is going to be covered next between paragraphs. If you have done a good job of arranging paragraphs so that the content of one leads logically to the next, the transition will highlight a relationship that already exists by summarizing the previous paragraphs and suggesting something of the content of the paragraph that follows. A transition paragraphs can be a word or two, however, for example, similarly a phrase or a sentence. Transitions within paragraphs. As with transitions between sections and paragraph, transitions within paragraphs act as cues by helping readers to anticipate what is coming before they read it. Within paragraph, transitions tend to be single words or short phrases.
Okay, now we are going to look at the use of transitions. So please just read this slide 027. Would you mind to read this slide, read this paragraph, and then we'll be looking at how the transitions are used. Hanji.
So can I read?
Yes.
The shuttle Columbia marked the beginning of new era in space. Early space explorations involved short flights into orbit and eventually to the moon. However, scientists were more concerned about whether such flights could be done at all, rather than about using space for new scientific research. Now, in the decades since the Columbia, we have begun examining the uses of space itself.
So you can see this is an introduction, this is the topic sentence, and these are the supporting details. And you can see here that in the supporting details, the writer has used transitional words in order to connect the thoughts. ठीक है, यहाँ पे उसने किस तरह यूज़ किया ट्रांजिशनल वर्ड्स को उसने लगाया नहीं लगाया however and now these two are used here. So when you will be writing your paragraph, your body paragraph, ये just एक body paragraph आपको बताया. When you will be writing your body paragraph, you are required to use transitions, so that I would come to know that how you have connected your thoughts. Now we are going to use that transitions are used to add. ठीक है, addition के लिए, add के लिए किस तरह? There are some words that signify that you're elaborating on an idea in your writing. जब आप कुछ चीज़ add कर रहे होते हैं ना, अपने ideas को बता रहे होते हैं. For example here, Friends is a television show about 6 friends. It shows how our relationships are often complicated. This is one sentence. There are 2 sentences. So how this can be altered, you can see that Friends is a television show about 6 friends. Furthermore, it shows. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने लगाई. There were 2 sentences, but we have added a connecting device. We have added a transition. ठीक है, तो अल्टीमेटली ये ज़्यादा बेहतर नहीं हो जाता, गाइड कर रहे हैं ना, रीडर इज़ बीइंग गाइडेड. सो यहाँ पे रीडर को गाइड नहीं मिल रही, कोई उसको डायरेक्शन नहीं मिल रही. मैंने जैसे शुरू में बताया था दैट इट इज़ लाइक अ ट्रैफिक साइन, इट इज़ लाइक अ गाइडिंग साइन. सो गाइड किया गया उसे. फर्दरमोर, ठीक है, समझ आ रही बात कि नहीं आ रही? 0 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
0 to 9 is awake. It means still she is awake.
सर 0 to 9 मेरा है.
अच्छा, वही ना, आप जाग रहे हैं. अच्छा, now as I told you about adding, so we can use for the purpose of comparing a previous idea to a new one in your paper, in your paragraph, by describing 2 different things. ठीक है, उसके लिए ये words आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. So see here, North Dakota produces both coal and oil. Coal and oil impact North Dakota communities differently. ठीक है, ये 2 sentences हैं. क्या किया हमने इसके साथ? However has been used. ये देखें, इसको इस्तेमाल करके हमने किया ना. We have used the word however. ठीक है. Then when we are going to prove our point, we are going to indicate support for our argument, then we have to use a transition. Look here, there are 2 sentences. As I told you that these are the connecting devices between the sentences, between the paragraphs, between the sections. So here between the sentences you can see there are 2 sentences and they have been connected with this connecting device. In fact, ठीक है, किसी बात को, किसी पॉइंट को प्रूव करना चाह रहा है. डायरेक्शन मेरी है, ये क्या करना चाह रहा है, ये प्रूव करना चाह रहा है, कोई पॉइंट प्रूव करना चाह रहा है, ठीक है जी।
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when you are going to show exception, even then you are going to write, you are going to use some transitions, ठीक है, पिछले आइडिया के साथ। देखिए अभी यहाँ पे Aiza acts unintelligently, she has some of the smart observations, so exceptions यहाँ पे हैं, unintelligent है लेकिन observations भी हैं, so we can say yet she has, ठीक है। उसको हमने चेंज किया ना, आपने सेंटेंसेस लिखे लेकिन आपने इस तरह के डिवाइसेस नहीं लगाए। सो प्लीज़ लुक फॉर दीज थिंग्स व्हेन यू विल बी राइटिंग योर एसे, यू हैव टू लुक एट दीज थिंग्स वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग, ठीक है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू विल बी राइटिंग at graduate level, when you will be writing for your research papers, such projects, there you have to use transitions, ठीक है, ख़ास तौर पे वहाँ पे आपके बहुत ज़्यादा काम आएंगे। Then transitions are used to show time. When you are telling events in chronological sequence, then you have to make the order clear and you have to write transitions. Ross and Rachel get married, they get a divorce, they have a baby. So look here that how we have added transitions. You can see it here. हाँ जी, कोई पढ़ेगा इस स्लाइड को, ये दोनों सेंटेंसेस को कोई पढ़ेगा?
सर मैं पढ़ लेती हूँ। Ross and Rachel get married, they get a divorce, they have a baby. First, Ross and Rachel get married, soon after they get a divorce, then they have a baby.
Okay, so you can see that's how the writer has added transitions in order to give a chronological sequence of your thoughts, ठीक है, उसने थॉट्स को एक क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीक्वेंस दे दिया उसने ना, दिया ना। And I'll just look at another one. When you are going to repeat a thought, even then you are going to write it, even then you are going to write transitions to help remind the reader what have been mentioned before. Look here. Ross and Rachel have a crazy relationship, as has been shown, ठीक है, कि पहले बता दिया गया था ये बात, ठीक है, as has been indicated above, ठीक है। जब आप, मैंने जैसे बताया कि कुछ चीज़ें आपको इस पेपर के अंदर भी ऐसे के अंदर यूटिलाइज करनी होंगी, वेयर देयर इट इज़ नीडेड, कि आप कोई चीज़ रिपीट कर रहे हैं तो आप इस तरह के ट्रांजिशंस लगाएंगे, एज इट हैज़ बीन सेड बिफोर, एज इन ब्रीफ, इट हैज़ बीन नोटेड, इट हैज़ बीन शोन, इट हैज़ बीन इंडिकेटेड बिफोर। सो उससे क्या इंडिकेटर मिलेगा कि आप पहले ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, उसी बात को आप थोड़ा सा मुख्तलिफ जो है ना वो तरीके से बयान करें, ठीक है। Then transitions are used to emphasize that you want the reader to really be aware of. Like, for example, Ross has been married 3 times. Ross likes to get married. So it means that Ross has been married 3 times. Obviously, Ross likes to get married. Emphasize करना चाहते हैं ना आप, आपने पॉइंट लिखा, आप उस 2 पॉइंट लिख दिए, 2 आइडियाज़ लिख दिए, आप उसको एम्फेसाइज करना चाहते हैं, आपको ट्रांजिशंस इस्तेमाल करने हैं। ये वो चीज़ें जो डायरेक्शंस होती हैं, ठीक है, डायरेक्शन साइंस हैं, गाइडिंग साइंस हैं, और नॉर्मली वी अवॉइड इट, व्हेन वी राइट वी अवॉइड इट, अक्सर इसको अवॉइड करते हैं, अक्सर। ओके, नाउ व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू शो अ सीक्वेंस और रिजल्ट्स, इवन देन यू यूज ट्रांजिशंस। If there is no clear order, or you're writing that one idea causes another, you have to use the following words like first, second and third. जब मैंने आपको पैराग्राफ पढ़ाया था why I wanted to become a teacher, why I love teaching, तो first, फिर उसके बाद दोबारा first नहीं बताया, afterward, ठीक है, therefore, इस तरह की चीज़ें इस्तेमाल की, firstly, फिर afterwards, after that, then, इस तरह। Don't use the same sequence, firstly, secondly, thirdly. No, first, afterward, then, at this point. ठीक है, यही चीज़ यहाँ पे भी. Joey went to film a movie in Las Vegas. Ross and Rachel got married. देखें अभी यहाँ पे भी हमने सीक्वेंस बनाया कि वो फिल्म वो मूवी बनाने के लिए निकले थे और उसी दौरान उन दोनों की, रॉस और रैशल की शादी हुई. उस मौके पे सीक्वेंस बताया गया. When you are going to give an example, then you have to write a transition. For example, for instance, in that case, ठीक है, आप लिखेंगे वहाँ पे. एग्जाम्पल आपने दिया तो you must write it. You can see here, North Dakota's strong economy also relies on agriculture. One half of North Dakota's jobs are related to agriculture. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल उसने दे दी, but he did not write a transition. So ultimately the reader is not directed towards any specific direction. ये क्या कहना चाह रहा है? थोड़ा ज़्यादा आपका essay जो ना, that will be more comprehensive, that will be more interesting, that will be more catchy when you will be adding transitions. ठीक है, यहाँ देखें अभी हमने दे दी. North Dakota's strong economy also relies on agriculture. For example, over half of North Dakota's jobs are related to agriculture. ठीक है. Another, when we are trying to summarize our points, ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल के बाद summarize जब आप करेंगे तो फिर इस तरह लिखें. This is not related to example. And just a minute, let me check. Yes. This slide is extra, so wait a minute. When you're going to summarize, so you have to use these devices, these transitions. ठीक है. Friends shows the lives of 6 friends. It shows how they interact with each other. Look here, that how we are going to summarize. Consequently, it shows how they interact with each other. ठीक है, जब आप बनाएंगे तो समराइज या कंक्लूड करना, नतीजा अखज़ करना, तो इसी तरह आपने भी यूटिलाइज करने हैं. So look at this sentence. There are some transitions which are needed. ठीक है, this is an original paragraph. Look at this paragraph and I would ask 0 to 8 to read it. 017.
Okay, sir.
इसको पढ़ेंगे.
Deciding on a college is often a difficult decision for students. Most school counselors try to provide students with different resources. They include assessments and college brochures. Counselors need to provide students with more resources in order to help them make a more informed decision about what college to attend.
Okay. So now you can see the modified paragraph, revised paragraph, and look at the difference between the two. There is a lot of difference. 036, please read the second part of the slide. Read the revised paragraph where there I have added transitions.
Okay, sir. Deciding on a college is often a difficult decision for students. Therefore, most school counselors try to provide students with different resources such as assessments and college brochures. However, counselors need to provide students with more resources in order to help them make a more informed decision about what college to attend.
So, can you see a difference? पता चलता है कि नहीं पता चल रहा?
पता चल रहा है.
Yes.
गाइडिंग पाथ मिल रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
एक डायरेक्शन मिल रही है कि किधर जा रहा है. Therefore, such as, however. Okay. So look at another example. This is an original paragraph and I've highlighted those spaces. एक बंदा बोल रहा है कि I like autumn. Autumn is a sad time of the year. The leaves turn to brilliant yellow and red. The weather is mild. I can't help thinking ahead to the coming of winter. Winter will bring snowstorms, slippery roads, and icy fingers. In winter, the wind chill factor can make it dangerous to be outside. I find winter unpleasant. In autumn, I can't help thinking ahead to winter's survival. I'm sad when I think that winter is coming. So look at the revised paragraph and find the difference. Yes, 019. Please tell me which is better constructed with transitions and without transitions. You can see I have underlined the transitions and there is a difference also.
They're with transitions.
पढ़े ज़रा पैराग्राफ, दोनों पैराग्राफ पढ़े, पहला भी और दूसरा भी.
I like autumn. Autumn is a sad time of the year. The leaves turn to brilliant yellow and red. The weather is mild. I can't help thinking ahead to the coming of winter. Winter will bring snowstorms, slippery roads, and icy fingers. In winter, the wind chills factor can make it dangerous to be outside. I find winter unpleasant. In autumn, I can't help thinking ahead to winter arrivals. I am sad when I think that winter is coming. Revised paragraph. Although I like autumn, it is a sad time of the year. Of course, the leaves turn to brilliant yellow and red, and the weather is mild. Still, I can't help thinking ahead to the coming year of winter with its snowstorms, slippery roads, and icy fingers. Moreover, in winter, the wind chill factor can make it dangerous to be outside. Because I find these things unpleasant, I can't help thinking ahead to winter's arrival in autumn. Truly, I am sad when I think that winter is coming.
Okay, please. Let's look at the next slide and there is an exercise. Read the paragraph and write the transitional phrases, words and phrases over there. इसको देखें जी, इस पे नज़र मारें, इस एक्सरसाइज पे ट्रांजिशनल वर्ड्स और फ्रेजेस लिखें, इसमें कौन कौन से कहाँ पे लगते हैं. Anji, look at the things which are not present here and you need to add.
time number turn on Windows Firewall recovery number must turn on Windows Firewall manager.
So can we look at the answers? Can we look at the answers? If you have attempted it, then can we look at the answer? And are you done with it? Okay, look at the answers.
Yes.
Okay, look at the answers. Read this paragraph 005, please read it.
Right. So eliminating computer viruses on your computer is not very difficult. There are a few things you can do. First, turn on Windows Firewall. Do this, go to the control panel and click on Windows Firewall. When the window pops up, you should click on the button next to the Turn Firewall On. Next, download a good antivirus program like Kaspersky, Norton, or Avast. Before you run it, make sure you shut down all the programs and also disconnect from the internet because some viruses can deliberately interfere with antivirus programs by getting help from the internet. Now run a full scan with the program. When the scan is finished, follow the recommendations of the quarantine. But before you delete any files, back up your screen and make a restore point. This is important. For example, I once forgot to do this and deleted an important file like. So I had to reinstall everything on my computer. These steps not work themselves with a professional.
Okay, so you can see that how the ideas are connected, how the writer is directing the reader, he is providing the right way to follow. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
सर जो आपने हमें प्रेजेंटेशन कही है वो नेक्स्ट वीक है ना हमारी
Yes, ये वो प्रेजेंटेशन है.
और सर वो जो आपने अभी हमें इस वीक के लिए टास्क दिया है असाइनमेंट दिया है वही हम प्रेजेंट करेंगे जो पैराग्राफ उठाएंगे वही प्रेजेंट करना होगा.
No, presentation is something else. That is Flipgrid assignment कि आपने एक essay उठाना है, उस essay का introductory paragraph, body paragraphs और concluding paragraph देखने हैं, उनके मसले मसाइल देख के उनको निकाल
यस
के.
सर प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए फिर
Presentation
कोई भी चूज कर लें.
कोई भी टॉपिक उठाएं, ठीक है. आई नीड टू नो कि आप किस तरह प्रेजेंट करें, आपने क्या किया पिछले उसके अंदर ना. तो इसके बाद जब आप यहाँ पे करेंगे प्रेजेंट, इनके फिर मैं आपको जब सिखाऊंगा तो फिर आपने उसी प्रेजेंटेशन को उसी पैटर्न पे डिलीवर करना है, ठीक है.
ओके सर.
Any other question related to this topic, especially transitional words and phrases?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the previous slide जो आपने अभी शो की थी उसमें although eliminating नहीं होगा और however there are few things वो नहीं होगा.
Where at which place I am showing this
Sir,
now?
eliminating computer viruses से पहले ही नहीं आएगा. Although eliminating computer viruses on your computer is not very difficult and however there are few things you can do. ये नहीं आ सकता इसके साथ.
नहीं, इधर नहीं रख सकता. और लगता ही नहीं है. अगर आगे जब आपको किसी को डायरेक्शन दे रहे हैं तब आप करेंगे ना. आपने डायरेक्टली दिस इज a complete and compact
Excuse me,
essay.
sir?
This is not just a minute. This is not a part of any essay. Rather, this is a complete and compact paragraph basically. ठीक है. तो वो पहले वो बात कर रहा है कि कंप्यूटर से वायरस निकालने मुश्किल नहीं है, कुछ चीज़ें आपने फॉलो करनी है. हावेवर का मतलब कोई दो थॉट्स को आप जोड़ रहे हैं, किसी बात को आगे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. कनेक्शन का ज़रूरत आगे है कि कुछ काम आपने करना है, फिर फर्स्ट, फिर व्हेन, फिर सेकंड, फिर थर्ड एंड नाउ उसको लेके चले हैं क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में. जी बोलिए.
सर वो आपने बुलाया था सर.
क्या चीज़?
सर वो मुझे आपने बुलाया था सर. वो कह रहा था मुझे आपने
रिव्यू के लिए बुलाया था. सो रहे थे.
सर वो सो नहीं रहा था सर. वो गली में जनाजा था, मैं जनाजा पढ़ने गया था.
शाबाश शाबाश, अच्छी बात है. नमाज पढ़ने भी जाते होते हो या सिर्फ जनाजे ही पढ़ने जाते हो?
सर मैं 5 वक्त की सर मस्जिद में पढ़ता हूँ सर.
अच्छा ठीक है. देखें अभी कितना अच्छा बच्चा है, क्लास छोड़ के जनाजा अटेंड करने गया है. और डेफिनेटली जब ये गाड़ी चला रहा होगा तो गाड़ी भी रोक के जनाजा पड़ेगा
इंशाल्लाह सर.
ठीक
सर
है.
ये वैसे इसने मुझे भी कहा था मैं खाली पुलाव खाने गया हूँ.
कौन से काबली पुलाव? अच्छा
सर जनाजे पे सिर्फ चने का होता है।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
जी जी बोलिए।
सर आप अफगानी है?
नहीं मैं हाँ मेरे कोई 300 साल पहले मेरे अबाव अजदाद अफगानिस्तान से ही आए थे, कोई 300-400 साल पहले की बात है। Okay.
सर फिर आप अफगानी हुए ना?
Okay, your topic is complete now. We are done with transitional words and phrases. Now we are going to work on the worksheet, and you will be given the task, and before the end of the class you have to complete it. Okay, so I'm going to share it with you right now. इधर ही share कर रहा हूँ उसके ऊपर। I'm going to share it with you. ठीक है, ये वाला टास्क आपने अभी करना है क्लास के दौरान, और फिर जो दूसरा होगा that will be done in the when you will be when you will be at homes, so you will be doing flip grade assignment only. ठीक है, सिर्फ वही आप करेंगे, एक असाइनमेंट होगी फ्लिप ग्रेड वाली। दूसरा जो टास्क है वो अभी आप PDF की वर्कशीट पे करेंगे, फिर बताएंगे। ठीक है, so you will be having 15 minutes to complete that task. Please, I'm going to share it with you right now.